Hey guys, in this video we will have a look at Microsoft stock with this Nordic Graphs tool. This is a tool for analyzing the fundamentals of a company and giving a graph to quickly visualize the valuation of the company compared to the orange fair value line and the blue normal PE ratio line. Microsoft is actually quite interesting at the moment since the stock price has been falling. We had earlier highs of around 500 or even 520 US dollars, and now we are at $372, so we are down quite a bit. In this tool, we currently have 5 years of forward-looking estimates from analytics consensus estimates, and we also have 5 years of history, and based on these, it's calculating the normal PE ratio. So it has been valued at almost a PE of 35. The growth rate based on this history and forward-looking values is around 14% currently. We can also change the time scale, and then we see the growth rate and normal PE values changing. But I think this 5-year estimate is a quite good, a 5-year history and 5 years forward is a quite good starting point for looking at this. We also can use this ROR calculator here, and we can click on the current price. I'll try to hit it as precisely as I can. So here at a purchase price of $370, and if we would end up at that PE, normal PE ratio line, we would get an annualized return of 32% per year. So that's actually very good. For this period, full growth would be 185%, and would also get some dividends during this period. But I think pushing the PE ratio to 35 is a bit high. So we could also calculate it to a different PE line. I think the fair value 15, that's a bit low for Microsoft, but if it would go like a line of 22, and we are kind of around that PE ratio currently, the PE line of 22, it has been hitting that line also earlier, like in 22. But calculating from this point to this adjusted fair value line, it would still be a return of almost 17% per year, and we might have an upside to around that 35% per year return. So it's looking quite attractive currently. So definitely a stock to investigate further if that's something which would fit your portfolio. This is of course not investment advice, so please do your own investigation into the stocks you buy. If you're interested in this Nordic Graphs tool, you can test it. Here you see the URL, nordicgraphs.com, and I'm signed in now as a pro user, but if I log out, I can still access a few test stocks, and if I log in as a free tier user, there are some more stocks you can have a look at. And soon you will be also able to upgrade to a pro license, where you will be able to access a bunch of more stocks. And we are also looking into an API integration to get live data from and more history to be able to access the full market information and any stocks. If you're interested in the tool, please leave a comment down below if you're interested in testing the tool. If you find this kind of stock analysis helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.